Welcome. Today I'm George. This is Sanyak Agropreneurs. Today we are delving into the world of this plant that I'm holding here. This is Pawpaw, the Malkia F1 series. I have a seedling here. So it has been about a year since the last video that we did when I was planting these plants. So as you can see, from this seedling to this size or to this stage where my plant or my pawpaw has grown to this level. So you can see this plant, you can come close and see. So from this seedling a year ago, so this is my results I have here. So you can see that the pawpaws are here, the plant is fully grown, still flowering, the season is still the same. There is no end of season, so the plants are still here flowering. You can see some fruits have grown. So I've been harvesting some today. You can see plants over there. See, you can see also. Take a look at this. Come and see this. This one is just about to ripe. So this is Malkia F1 series. You can see. Take a look at this fruit. Wow. This one, you can see the size of this one behind here. Those ones are nearly ripened. Take a look at here. This fruit still flowering also, and you can see that the size of the fruits are different at different stages. These are small ones. These ones are about to ripe. There are small ones inside there, so they come in different sizes and shapes. Take a look at this one. This one is almost there. It's almost ready. Take a look at this shape. One thing about Malkia, let me give you a clear view so you can see this plant is one flower, but it has divided into two. You can take a look at it. So that's why I like the Malkia F1 series. It's a beautiful tree. Comes in all shapes, sizes, and it flowers. It is productive throughout the year. So what I can say is that the flowers are here coming, the small pawpaws are here coming. You can take at how big you can take this Malkia series are, so they can give you production which is guaranteed. What I like about this certified Malkia F1 series that they grow with no problem, so they have minimal problem, easier to take care of them. I urge farmers to do some farming, and I urge them to plant this Malkia F1 series. So there are other series, or there are other varieties of pawpaw, but for me my preference is this Malkia F1. So basically that is it for today. So I want to end it there. So if you want some seedlings, if you want some guides on how to do this cultivation of pawpaws, subscribe. You can still like, share your comments down there. So that is it for today from Sanyak Agropreneurs. Bye bye.